Hi everyone, welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss our latest videos on health, wellness, and parenting tips. Today, we're talking about a very important topic: foods to avoid during pregnancy. While it's tempting to indulge in all your cravings, there are certain foods that can pose a risk to both you and your baby. Let's dive into the top 10 foods you should avoid to keep your pregnancy safe and healthy. Number 1 on our list is raw or undercooked seafood. This includes sushi, sashimi, and oysters. Raw seafood can carry harmful bacteria and parasites, such as listeria, which can lead to infections and increase the risk of miscarriage. Next up are deli meats. Even though they're convenient, deli meats can be contaminated with bacteria like listeria. If you really want that turkey sandwich, make sure to heat the meat until it's steaming hot to kill any potential bacteria. Certain types of fish, like shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and high mercury tuna, should be avoided during pregnancy. High levels of mercury can affect your baby's brain and nervous system development. Raw or undercooked eggs are another no-no. They can carry salmonella, which can cause severe food poisoning. If you're baking or making dressings like homemade Caesar or hollandaise, be sure to use pasteurized eggs or cook them thoroughly. Soft cheeses made from unpasteurized milk, like brie, goat cheese, and blue cheese, may contain listeria, which can be dangerous during pregnancy. Stick to cheeses labeled as pasteurized to be safe. 6. Raw sprouts. Raw sprouts like alfalfa, mung bean, and clover sprouts are prone to bacterial contamination. Avoid raw sprouts or cook them thoroughly if you're adding them to a meal. 7. Liver and organ meats. Liver and organ meats might sound healthy, but they're extremely high in vitamin A. Too much vitamin A during pregnancy can lead to birth defects and liver toxicity, so it's best to limit your intake. 8. Caffeine in excessive amounts. Moderate caffeine is usually safe, but excessive caffeine can increase the risk of low birth weight and miscarriage. Try to limit caffeine to about 200 milligrams per day. That's roughly 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. 9. Alcohol. No surprise here. Alcohol should be avoided entirely during pregnancy. It can lead to fetal alcohol syndrome, which affects a baby's brain and organ development. There's no known safe amount, so it's best to steer clear altogether. 10. Unwashed fruits and vegetables. Finally, unwashed fruits and vegetables can carry toxoplasma, a parasite that can cause infections harmful to the baby. Be sure to thoroughly wash all produce before eating. So let's recap. Here are the 10 foods to avoid during pregnancy for a healthy baby: raw or undercooked seafood, deli meats, high mercury fish, raw eggs, unpasteurized dairy products, raw sprouts, liver and organ meats, excessive caffeine, alcohol, and unwashed fruits and vegetables. By making some simple adjustments to your diet, you can help ensure a safer, healthier pregnancy. Remember, your healthcare provider is always the best source of advice on what's right for you during this special time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other moms-to-be, and subscribe for more pregnancy and health tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.